Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find Easter cave in Fish It Game of Roblox new Easter event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, the Easter cave is located at the Easter Island, so we need to go there. You can use this portal to go to the Easter Island. Okay, and hold on guys, it's loading. And to unlock the cave, you need to do a mission or quest. And okay, I'm going to go to the mosaic. Okay, you need to find 8 golden eggs if you want to unlock this door to go to the cave. And if you want to find all the golden eggs, you can watch my previous video guys. I've already shown where you can find all the golden eggs. And once you find all the golden eggs, you can place them all at this mosaic and you will unlock this door, and this door will bring you to the Easter cave. Okay, I'm in the Easter cave. Just go to the cave right here, and you can do fishing in the cave, and you can fish here guys. Okay guys, and that's how we can find the Easter cave in Fish It Game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!